Now, viewers, welcome back from that short break. We were discussing about something to do with the coronavirus, but we are through with it. We are all going to pray to God that we get the vaccine as soon as possible. But for as long as the coronavirus is in the country, please keep in your homes. Now, part C of the question says, calculate the volume of the pyramid. They want the volume. They don't want the surface area. They don't want the area. They don't want the total surface area. They don't want the length. They want the volume of that shape. But we know volume is the amount of space occupied. How do we get the volume of a pyramid? Mr. Examiner, sir, part C. Volume of the pyramid. I know very many people must be looking for the answer, the formula. Some must be saying pi r squared. Some must be saying a third pi r squared h. Some must be saying length times width. Some must be saying side times side. Some are saying s plus s plus s plus s. Very many formula. I know some parents are also trying to remember the formulas they used to study while they were still studying. But remember, what is going to unite us here is having volume equivalent to the formula a third times the base area times our height. That is the formula that we use to find the volume of a right pyramid like this one here. A third times the base area times the height. Remember, base area is the area of the shape which is the base. Our base here is a rectangle, which means we shall have this equal to a third times base area. The base is a rectangle. What formula do we use to find the area of a rectangle? It is length times width. So we have length times width. Then times our height. Remember, if the base is a circle, what formula do we use to find the area of a circle? It is a pi r squared, which means you'll have a third pi r squared h, which is the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. Suppose it, anyway, let's not go so far. Let us stick to this. Volume will equal to a third, Mr. Examiner, sir, times, we are having our length, but our length is an 8 centimeters. So we shall have 8 times the width. Our width is 15. So we have our 15. Please make sure that your substitution is correct. Times the height. Remember, we got our perpendicular height. What was our perpendicular height? Can someone remind us? What was our perpendicular height? I don't remember the perpendicular height. I know most of you wrote it somewhere, but I told you, should you forget it, get your calculator. You can remind yourself. I remember we said it was the root of what we got here and what we got there, which was 12 squared minus or take away this length here, OC, which was 8.5 squared. It was 8.47. So we can say times 8.47. Now, Mr. Examiner, sir, we need to multiply 1 times 8 times 15 times 8.47. The final answer we get, we divide by 3. Alternatively, you can cancel the 3 by 3 once. By 3, 5. Then you can multiply 1 times 8 times 5 times 8.47, which would end up giving us 338.8. So we have, Mr. Examiner, sir, 338.8. But remember, we are dealing with volume. Volume, we had a base area, we had a centimeter, a centimeter, a centimeter. The centimeter is 3 times, which is a cubic centimeter. So we can say 338.8 cubic centimeters. That is the volume of the right pyramid given to us by the examiner. That is what I had for you today. Obonyo Kenneth is still my name. You now know how to pronounce Obonyo, O-B-O-N-Y-O. After the short break, we are going to give you some small homework. Some of you don't know how to send homework. You send homework when we have even done the corrections. The limit for sending homework should be maximally 2 hours. Do your homework very fast. Submit it. We mark very fast. But some of you submit the next day after we have finished even solving the answers. Why do you want to cheat? E-Learning Teachers Project Uganda. We on Google the TV. Trinity SS, thank you so much for dressing up the teachers that appear on this program. This is Obonyo Kenneth, still on Google the TV, sponsored by the E-Learning Project and Trinity SS Nawero. Now, after exhausting our question of three-dimensional geometry, I'm leaving you with a simple question that I would want you to work out. But remember, maximally 2 hours, then you forward the solution to our email address or our universal WhatsApp number. Now, the question says, the figure shows a right pyramid, which is on a rectangular base, PQRS. And this is our shape, PQRST. Can even add on T here, PQRST. Now, they want us to go ahead and calculate part A, the height or T, or, and then T. They want us to find that height, just like we did it previously. Part B, they want us to find the angle between the planes. There are two planes, that is the plane PTS, PTS, and plane TQR, TQR. That is the second plane. They want us to find or calculate the angle between those two planes. Then, they want us, part C, to find the volume of the pyramid. The volume of the pyramid. When you finish solving your number, don't forget, send your solutions to the universal WhatsApp number for all subjects. That is 0791 35 18 45. This is the WhatsApp number where you send all solutions, whether it is chemistry, whether it is biology, whether it is physics, whether it is history, literature in English, literature in Luganda, economics, and so forth. In case of any inquiries, you will always use this MTN number, 0773, which is the project number. In case you want us to connect you to any of our teachers, we shall be doing that. You call on 0773 538 009. So, our umbrella E-Learning Teachers Project Uganda is what brings us here on Google the TV to ensure that we help so many Ugandans out there to move forward in regards to education. We are also going to be bringing you primary work, that is SST, that is social studies, English, we shall have science, and then what is the other subject? Mathematics. And then we shall have O-level subjects as well as A-level subjects with the different teachers. So, the question has been very clear. Those who have been writing, I hope you're through with the copying. Some of you are very slow. Then at the end of the day, you say, teacher, I was not there, Yaka was off, I didn't copy the question. The question is very clear. The figure shows a right pyramid on a rectangular base. That pyramid is PQRST. They want you to calculate part A, the height, or T, or T. Part B, they want you to calculate the angle between planes PTS and TQR. Then the last question, they want you to calculate the volume of the pyramid. I said for all your answers, whether it is A-level math, whether it is A-level chemistry, whether it is A-level biology, whether it is O-level, whether it is primary, you'll be forwarding them to the WhatsApp number 0791 351 845. In case of any inquiries, you want us to connect you to any teacher, you want to make inquiries, 0773 538 009. In case you cannot be able to call, you can send a message, we shall forward the teacher that message, and then the teacher will call you back. That is, of course, within working hours. Please enjoy your quarantine session as we pray hard that we are able to kick coronavirus out of Uganda. This has been Obonyo Kenneth on Google the TV e-learning teachers project, Trinity SS Naweru, Mr. Chigundu Ahmed. Thank you so much for the support. May God bless you all, our viewers in different parts of the country.